Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Mu'minun, the 8th ayah, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِأَمَانَاتِهِمْ وَعَهْدِهِمْ رَاعُونَ. That, and those who are watchful of their trusts and their covenants. Now, when you look at this, look at the world around you and I today. Yes, the question comes, why is there so much corruption in different ways? Yani, why do certain systems of ruling collapse? Why do marriages break? Why do friendships die? Why do businesses betray? It's because people abandoned this ayah. Why? Because of the amana, yani the trust, and the ahd, which is the covenant, are no longer what you call sacred. Yes, they're not being respected. So, when you look at this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses the word ra'una, yani, which refers to shepherds, even what? Watchers. This is what you call isti'ara, yani the borrowing of a word. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here, he likens the believer to a shepherd watching over what you call a sheep. A shepherd doesn't just keep the flock. He guards it from what you call wolves. He leads it to what you call pasture. He watches it day and night. Likewise, the believer watches over every trust, every promise, every responsibility, not letting it be devoured. By what? By greed, by laziness, or even betrayal. So, your amana is not just money. It is your job, your family, your time, your prayers, your health, even the voice that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you. And then when it comes to ahd, your ahd is not just contracts, it is your word, your handshake, your marriage vow, your pledge of loyalty, your shahada, which is the ultimate covenant with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us here that let's be shepherds of what is placed in our hands. When you look at this, the purpose behind this, why is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informing us, says that, why? Because this is what you call a defining trait of the believer. Yes? Society cannot survive without trust. Yes, we all know that society can't survive without trust. The collapse of amana, yes, of amana is the collapse of civilization.